Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is titled How to Enable Windows Copilot and Fix Missing Copilot Option on Windows 11. If you don't see Copilot on your PC, don't worry, let's fix it step by step. First, install Microsoft Copilot from the Microsoft Store. Press the Windows key, type Microsoft Store, and open it. Once the store opens, click the search bar and type Microsoft Copilot. Open the Microsoft Copilot app from the results, then click Install. After the installation is complete, click Open to launch Copilot. If Copilot is still not showing up on your system, let's try a few quick checks. First, check your Windows version and build number. Press the Windows key, type WinBur, and open it. Make sure you are running Windows 11 version 22H2 or newer, with OS build 22621.2361 or higher. If your version is lower, go to Settings, then Windows Update, and install all available updates. Next, check if Copilot is available in your region. Microsoft Copilot is currently supported in over 160 regions. If your PC is set to a region where Copilot isn't available yet, it may not appear. In that case, you'll need to wait for Microsoft to roll it out in your area. After updating Windows and confirming your region, restart your computer and check again. In most cases, Copilot will now appear and work properly. And that's it. You've successfully enabled Windows Copilot and fixed the missing Copilot option. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy Windows and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.